Good morning students. Today I am going to explain you how to make an house for birds with waste plastic bottle. Take a bottle and paint it with white emulsion color and let it dry for 15 minutes. Take another bottle and paint it with white emulsion color and let it dry for 15 minutes. With the help of a pencil, mark flower shape on the top of a first bottle and cut in that shape. After that, paint that first pot with reddish brown color. Red plus brown, we will get the reddish brown color. We should paint with that color and later shade, or we can give different type of designs on that color. And for the cork, I am taking yellow color and I am painting with yellow color. At the middle of the cork we should put an hole for tying a knot. In this rainy season, due to wind, many birds are losing their houses, that means nest, and they are losing their eggs. Because of nests are falling down due to wind, many eggs of the birds are broken. We can help them with the help of these plastic house, we can make them to survive. On the surface I have given upward strokes for different appearance. You people can have different designs. For the cork I have painted with yellow color, and in the middle of the cork I have given a hole to which the wires of the bottom bottle will be attached. Keep this pot aside for 15 minutes and let the paints dry. Now for the bottom part of the house, paint it with the white emulsion and make it dry. Later, draw with the help of pencil, draw doors and windows on 3 sides and cut it in that shape. Later, with the help of Fevicol, attach the stones, soft type of stones which are available in the sand in nearby our houses. I have painted the stones with the white emulsion color and make it dry for 10 minutes. Later we have to fix it on the bottles with the help of Fevicol, and later for 15 to 20 minutes let it dry so that the stones are fixed. Later, after 15 to 20 minutes, when these stones are fixed to the bottle, I have painted the inner surface of the bottle with yellow color and the stones with the primary colors red, yellow and blue alternately, and make it dry for 10 minutes. And then to the upper surface of this bottle, make 4 holes opposite to each other on 4 sides, through which the plastic wire should be tied on from these holes. These plastic wires from 4 sides are inserted into the hole which we have made in the cork of the first upper part of the bottle, and from after inserting it we have to tie a knot at the top of the cork. With the help of these wires we can hang this bird home to any rod or an hook. I have colored inside surface of the bottle with lemon yellow color and at the outer surface I have taken light brown and white combination. It gives creamy color. I have colored with a cream color at the outer surface of the bottle, and the stones I have colored with primary colors, that is red, blue and yellow alternately. And then I have attached the paper roses on the outside the bottle for decoration purpose. In previous classes I have explained about calligraphy, letter writing. The technique you can use here, and you can write the letters. I am writing welcome here. You can write anything that you want.